Hello YouTubers, this is gonna be a quick video on how to hard-boil eggs in a way that they will be always easy to peel. And you can do one egg, you can do hundreds of eggs with the same method, does not require any special equipment. The eggs I'm going to show you are from my hand, fresh eggs, but I've tried commercial eggs. I've done it with the industry, I've done it at school. Same method I teach my students, and it works 100% of the time. Each and every time you get the same results. Easy to peel and leaving the egg intact, nice and smooth, the white of the egg, so that you can use it for garnish, you can use it for devil's eggs, anything like that. And you save time and you save product and you have a much better presentation. This is important in my field of garde-manger, food served cold. So I've worked for years trying to figure out this method, and here it is now. Without further ado, let's do this. So this is all you need for this magic to happen. You need ice water, not just ice, so that the eggs will quickly sink into that. And boiling water, nothing else. No vinegar, no salt, nothing. Here I got some fresh eggs from my own hands. And I'm gonna do a batch of 5 eggs. The water is boiling, very important. And then I'm gonna plunge the eggs in the boiling water. So I'm using the skimmer here to do so. If one or two cracks, it doesn't matter. They can still be used for egg salad or whatever. The importance is to get some nice looking ones for garnish if you want to use them a quarter slice or halves. The white of the egg should not be damaged for presentation. Notice that I put them back in there, that dropped the temperature. Those eggs were pulled out of the refrigerator. I also tested with day-old eggs, actually some were picked out of the nest box that same day and did them, and that worked as well. So after I get them in, we got medium heat underneath here. Okay, now we got 45 seconds left. I'm going to run a test. Sometimes at home I do not run a test. I just go and pull them out and plunge them in the ice water right away. Here I'm going to take one, turn off the heat, just run a test just to show you how I would do it if I was doing a bigger quantity of eggs. 30, 40 or more. Alright, that's it. So I'm turning it off now. It's going to keep cooking a little bit while I'm running my test. I pull one of them out and I plunge it quick, just enough so I don't burn my hand. I take it and I smack it, and right here I turn it to make sure. So you see it's still a little soft in the middle, so I'm going to let it sit maybe 1 minute extra to make sure that it's fully cooked. Okay. So I'm returning it back on a little bit. And I won't need to run out of the test. Now, of course, that egg can be peeled and consumed. It's not wasting an egg. The concept, basically, what I figured out, and somebody more scientific out there could give us some other explanation, is that shocking it with hot water first, and then shocked again from very hot to the ice cold, creates some sort of space between the shell and the eggs. With the air that's trapped within the egg, and it makes the peeling really easy. So I'm turning it off now. I just gave it maybe an extra minute. That should be enough. Let it sit for a few seconds and voila. You see they cracked a little bit in the process, doesn't matter. They got to be keeping their shape, nice. Nothing leaked in the water, even if one of them leaked a little bit, no big deal. It would solidify and it's still a usable egg. I let it shape a little bit for a minute so I can handle them without burning myself. Now the peeling process, you chill them just a minute or so, no more, and then you knock it like this. You can roll it also. Put the peel in this container. So anyway, you see how easily it peels. The reason why I break down the shell in little pieces by rolling it to make sure that you don't try to take too big of a piece. But you see how nice and easy it peels off. Okay, there we go. Rinse it in the water that you used to ice it, and here it is, the first one. Let's do another one, a larger one. Knock it a little bit. You can roll it a little bit gently, and then you grab it and see how that peels off. Nice and easy. without damaging the white. See that? Look at this. And the shell, what I call a shell, the egg white shell, is not damaged. If you want to do half shell for devil's eggs, one more for good measure. Again, just to see that they all peel the same way. And we've tried this with fresh eggs. Someone was challenge me and say, well, you know, we have some issues with that, and he had a special ways to do it with a special tool. This does not require any special tool at all. Just your pot, boiling water, ice water, that's it. So as long as you have ice on hand, something to boil water, here you are. Rinse it off a little bit, make sure there's no eggshell left. This is a little bit of a larger egg. There's another one. This is just to show you that it's not just one that does peel, they all peel. Whether the eggs are younger, older, doesn't matter. The direction of the wind, the humidity in the air, they all peel nice and easy. Voila. Nice and easy. And we got 4 beautiful eggs right here. Object. But here they are 4 beautifully done eggs, not damaged at all, and peel very quickly. Et voilà. Give it a try and don't forget to subscribe, folks. If you like this video, there'll be more coming. Comments, I'll appreciate it. Subscribe, comment, share.